Hello students. Today we will be discussing regarding, you are seeing the caption over here, equation and identity. And I have written one equation, x plus y square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. That is true for all possible values of x and y. So what is equation and what is identity? An identity is a relationship between several variables which is true for all possible values of the variables. For example, when it is said this equation is true for all possible values of x and y, hence it is an identity. Okay? An identity is denoted by this triple sign. We denote identity with this triple sign, triple parallel line. Okay? An identity is denoted by this sign, and identity is always true by definition. Hence, it is always also known as definitional identity. We cannot solve an identity for determining the values of the variables. Hence, since it is satisfied for all the possible values of the variables. Because we cannot solve this equation. If it is an identity, then we cannot solve this for all possible values of x and y. This is actually true for all possible values of x and y. It is true for if x equal to 1, y equal to 1. It is true when x equal to 1, y equal to 2 for all possible values of x and y, and identity remains always true. We can give a definitional example of identity from macroeconomic theory. Let us suppose that the income has only two uses. It is either consumed or saved. Hence, the total income will always be equal to sum total of consumption and saving. So, we are writing y equal to C plus S. Okay? C is consumption and S is savings. We cannot use identity to determine the equilibrium level of income. An accounting identity is mere a tautology and this explains nothing. An equation represents a relationship between several variables which is true for all values of the variables but for specific values of variables, which is not true for all values of variables. Equation represents a relationship between several variables which is true not for all values of the variables but for specific value of the variables. But identity is true for all possible values of the variables. Fine. So we write down an equation y equal to 2x plus 5. Fine. It is true for all possible values of x and y. Rather, it is true for certain values of x and y. An equation is characterized by this double sign, not this triple sign. Okay, we can solve an equation and can determine the values of the variable for which this equation will be satisfied, but we cannot solve an identity because it is true for all possible values of the variables. In other words, an equation represents a functional relationship of a theoretical relationship. For example, suppose it is assumed that the market demand depends on price of the commodity. So, we are writing market demand D equal to A minus BP. Say it's an equation where A and B are constants. Okay. So, demand function is a function of price. Fine. So, D equal to function of P. Because A and B both are constants here. Constant means their value is not changing. Their values are static. Fine. It represents an equation. This is not an identity because it can be tested and judged whether it is true or not. But an identity need not be tested. It is always true by definition. So, hypothesis about economic behavior is represented with the help of equation or functional relationship. But identities do not represent any behavioral relationship. Identities tell us nothing about economic behavior and cannot be tested by empirical observations. Equations, on the other hand, embody propositions about economic behavior which can be tested by empirical observations. So this is a equation, not an identity, because this is not true for all possible values of P. Fine. This is an equation because it is true for some values of P. Fine. So here we are going through this basic difference between what is identity and what is an equation. So tomorrow we will be studying the necessary and sufficient conditions. Okay. So until then, bye bye.